So this is SeaWorld, and Aquatica is right across the street. We just saw that from the car. This is like so cool. So next time we come into SeaWorld, Aquatica is our last water park before we head back to New York. I'm coming.
The show times posted at the entrances to each of our stadiums and theaters. Be sure to join us for the all-new So Much More to See parade at 1:45 p.m. And don't forget to join us for our midnight fireworks.
Bella, Kyle, wait up! They want to go to Pipeline. Oh, Lord. That's the first ride. Can you believe this? Pipeline. Hi, Kyle. Hi, Bella. Oh my goodness. It was this part. Look, it was that part. Look, and then like that part right there. So you guys want to go over to Icebreakers? Okay. Circles up there. It was so lovely seeing so many people in the park. Like, look at that, a whole group of people. Love the bright t-shirts and everything to go with that. That was lovely to watch. And let me tell you, the buildings inside of the park, so beautiful. And at night, as you can see, they do the fireworks, but we didn't stay up until nighttime. But for Disney, we stayed up until nighttime. The fireworks was spectacular. So that is going to be our next theme park, so stay tuned for that video upload soon. We went to Magic Kingdom, and one thing I must say, you gotta wear comfortable clothing because it's so hot over there for all of the theme parks. I guess this is the lost and found, right? Oh, what?
It's this way, it's this way.
So you enter from there, and then there is a wait line. Then the roller coaster, once you get on the roller coaster, it goes through the building and then it comes down from that opening there into the water. Um, but one thing that I've learned while I was in the park, because I wasn't thinking that you're gonna need two adults. So just in case one doesn't want to get on the rides or one is scared of heights, and as you can see, that's the test drive of the boat coming down there into the water, and then it will go up back the roller coaster thread, and there would be some roller coaster action happening there. Let me tell you, it was fun and scary at the same time. So yes, like I was saying, so if you're somebody that is scared of heights or you don't like to be on roller coasters, it's good to have two adults, so one gets on with the kids and the other one is taking beautiful photos and videos of you guys. Yeah, so Carlene was at work and her husband had traveled to Jamaica, so it was just me and the kids. So that's what I learned, and for safety purposes too, because at those theme parks anything could happen, so you want to have your eyes on the kids. So once I saw that they wasn't coming down on the roller coaster and they were taking too long, I built up the courage and I went on it with them. Bella, turn around. We're going up back, but we're not. Are we gonna go to drop again? Yeah, I think so. Oh, I thought that we were gonna go back to the. Whoa! We are about to go drop again. I thought it was over. Okay, and then now we're back in. Hey, Belly. Turn around, guys. Beautiful. I was so nervous. That was so good. I'm gonna watch the Dolphin show.
Is Jackson and Clyde. Jackson and Clyde are both prominent dolphins, which is just one of the several species of whales and dolphins, also known as cetaceans, that can be found right off the Florida coast. In order to catch those fast-moving slippery fish, dolphins like Scott and Rig will use their powerful tail flukes, reaching speeds up to 22 miles per hour. They can also use these powerful tails to get a better look above the surface, getting their entire bodies all the way up and out of the water.
Oh God, I'm scared. It's okay, Bella.
This happened so a person died. A trainer that was playing with
fancy it up close and face to face. A brand new friend joining me today. Hey, what's your name? Lady. It is so nice to meet you. Now, Lady, where are you from? Oh, she's from her house, Mom. Oh, she's all the way from Tucker, Georgia. Let's give her a big SeaWorld hug. All right, Lady, you and I have the awesome chance to show everyone today how we start to build bonds and relationships with the animals that we take care of. Now, in order to do that, using a really big, really cute friend right here, we gotta get a little bit closer and give them a good dolphin style hello. So let's take one or two more steps. Yeah, right there's good, right up to that 24-foot drop off. Now, Lady, when you and I first met, we shook hands, and that's a great way to meet my friend right here. But instead of shaking hands, you get to shake his fingers. So, Lady, meet Tyler. Tyler, meet Lady. Oh my goodness, Lady. That was awesome. You know, one of my absolute favorite ways to start building relationships is with food. So take this fish, toss it right into Tyler's mouth. Here's another one.
So you are going to be hearing the song that was part of the show as you are hearing here, and then you're going to hear an add-on song, which is this one. So in this way I do not get any copyrights from YouTube. Hopefully I don't. guys gotta take a photo right there. SeaWorld 2024. Let's go. Woo!